Hello! Today we are going to describe this picture. It shows a happy family in a bright kitchen. They are making food together. In the middle of the picture, there are three people: a father, a mother, and a son. The father is tall and has brown hair. He is wearing an orange shirt and a blue apron. He is helping his son. The son is a small boy. He is wearing a red apron and he is whisking something in a big blue bowl. The mother has curly black hair and a kind smile. She is wearing a red shirt and a white apron with yellow dots. She is using a knife to cut green broccoli and orange carrots on a wooden board. The kitchen is very colorful. The walls are yellow with many small suns and clouds. There is a large round window in the back. Outside the window, we can see a blue sky and green trees. On the table, there are many things. There is white flour, 3 white eggs, and a red bowl with fruit. There is also a gray cat. The cat is sitting on a small red rug on the floor. The family looks very happy. They are having a great time cooking together on a sunny day. It is a very lovely scene.